Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, quarterly results of HDFC Bank. Net profit for January to March 2020 was 6,928 crores. January to March 2021, 8,187 crores. So 18% rise. Net NPA, non-performing assets, 0.4% was last year's figures, and this year's figures for the same quarter 0.4%. So no changes there. Currently, the share price is 1,428 compared to its 52-week high of 1,641. We have to see how the shares react to the quarterly results on Monday. We will be making a detailed video of these results today evening, and based on that, you will know some more details of this particular quarter and of the total financial year 2020-21. News number 2, Microtech Developers IPO listing on 19th April. Microtech Developers, also called Lodha Developers, will list on stock exchanges on 19th April, which is Monday. The IPO was subscribed only 1.36 times during April 7th and 9th. The grey market premium is around Rs 5 to 15 per share on the issue price of 486. That means it's around 1 to 3% premium. We need to see whether it will list flat or it may even list slightly negative to the issue price. News number 3. Glenmark Life Sciences files documents with SEBI for IPO. Glenmark Life Sciences is a subsidiary of Glenmark Pharma, which is a listed company. It has filed documents with SEBI for an IPO and is planning to raise around Rs 1,300 crores. IPO will be launched once SEBI approval is received, but the company will also consider stock market conditions before finalizing. News number 4. COVID situation getting worse in India. Around 2,61,000 new COVID cases were reported in India on 17th April Saturday. For the last 4 days, the new COVID cases has crossed 2 lakhs mark. This second wave has been more deadly for people compared to the first wave in 2020. The states which are worst affected are Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Haryana, Rajasthan, and also Delhi capital region or the national capital region. So we all need to be very careful, and we need to ensure that this spread does not get worse and the situation does not get worse from here. This was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. Also type good in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.